Hello everyone, it's Varun here. In this video, we are going to use the group listing shortcode on this page. And these are the available parameters what you can use on the group shortcode. First of all, I have created a new page and included a shortcode group listing. And once we have included this one, it is going to display all the groups here on this page. And you can pass these parameter to control what you are getting on that page. Like if you want to display a certain group type, then you can go and include this group type. Like you have to replace with that group type what you have included at your site. And if you want to display a specific group which contains a search term matrix, then you can also pass these argument on the shortcode section. Then it is going to display them, and you can also order them by member count, last activity count, and total member count. And we also have a functionality where you can include or exclude certain groups from this custom listing. And you can also have how many groups you are planning to display on a page. You can use this max parameter. It will be much easier if you can go with the Elementor approach. So let me create a new page. Groups with Elementor, publish. So inside the Elementor, we have included our custom wizard there, and you can use it. And for this one, you do not have to include any argument. You just have to select certain options like exclude group type, include group type. First of all, let me create a group type there so I can demonstrate in much better way. Groups, group type. Type will always start with a small character. Okay, I have created a group type, and that is going to be linked with I'm going to link it with a couple of groups. So suppose that I have selected these 5 groups for group type sport. So we have 4 groups with the group type sport, and let me reload this page, update, then reload. Just to make sure it gets the new group type parameter what we have included here. So now we have a group type parameter sport, and when I have selected that one, now you can see that we have only 4 groups which are displaying on this directory page. In the same way, you can also include by their IDs or exclude by their IDs. So suppose that if I want to exclude any group from here, I have to check which group ID I have to exclude. So suppose that I'm going to exclude volley, and the group ID is 23. And if I'm going to include 23 ID here, then it is going to remove this volley from this group directory. And if you have to exclude more, you just have to keep including common separated value for other group IDs, and that will be removed from there. So this help to include and exclude certain groups which you want to display or hide. And you can also order them by alphabetically, popular and invite, or the single group, and sort by ascending or descending. And how many number of group you are going to display, you can control it from here. And these are the available parameter. You can test them and use it quickly without checking our documentation. Just have to use the wizard on any page. So it is a good add-on for highlight specific groups on your home page or any landing page where you are going to promote. You have a community feature where you can use these group functionalities for your community building. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.